Hey friends, if you encounter this issue where mobile hotspot is connected but there is no internet, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the resolution. Now, if you have any VPN on your system, make sure to disconnect it, because if that is connected, you may be able to use Wi-Fi but you will not be able to use mobile hotspot. The next solution will be to right click on the start button and select settings from the menu. Go to the system tab on the list on the left hand side. Select troubleshoot in the right pane. Click on other troubleshooters. Click on run corresponding to the network adapter troubleshooter. And after this, the last one will be to go to network and internet on the list on the left hand side. And in the right pane, you can scroll down and click on advanced network settings, and then you can select network reset and then click on reset now. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice